Hello, welcome to our channel. Imagine a classroom buzzing with activity. Students solving math problems, their faces lit up with understanding. The teacher, equipped with AI tools, provides personalized guidance. This is the future of math education, powered by AI, equipping students with skills to thrive in a tech-driven world. Mathematics shapes critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. AI revolutionizes teaching and learning mathematics. AI creates personalized learning experiences. AI empowers teachers, not replaces them. Automating tasks like grading, AI frees up time for teachers. The benefits of using AI in math education are vast and far-reaching. One of the most significant advantages is the ability to provide personalized learning experiences. AI algorithms can analyze student data, identify areas where they may be struggling, and tailor instruction to their specific needs. Another key benefit is instant feedback. AI-powered tutoring systems can provide students with immediate feedback on their work, helping them to identify and correct errors in real time. This eliminates the frustration of waiting for a teacher to grade assignments and allows students to learn from their mistakes immediately. AI can also automate the grading process, freeing up teachers from hours of tedious work. This allows them to devote more time to lesson planning, student interaction, and other important tasks that enhance the learning experience. Moreover, AI can provide students with multiple explanations of complex concepts. Different students learn in different ways, and AI algorithms can adapt their teaching methods to suit individual learning styles, ensuring that every student has the opportunity to grasp even the most challenging concepts. A wide range of AI-powered tools are available to enhance math education. These tools offer a variety of features and functionalities, catering to the diverse needs of teachers and students. One such tool is Wolfram Alpha, a computational knowledge engine that can solve complex mathematical problems, provide step-by-step solutions, and even generate graphs and visualizations. Another popular tool is Khan Academy, a nonprofit educational organization that offers a vast library of free online courses, including a comprehensive math curriculum. Khan Academy's AI-powered platform personalizes the learning experience for each student, providing them with targeted practice and support. Other notable AI tools include Photomath, which uses image recognition technology to solve math problems captured by a smartphone camera, and Mathway, which provides step-by-step solutions to a wide range of math problems, from basic algebra to advanced calculus. These tools, along with countless others, are transforming the math classroom, empowering both teachers and students with new ways to teach, learn, and explore the fascinating world of mathematics. Section 4. Striking a balance integrating AI effectively. While AI has the potential to revolutionize math education, it's essential to integrate it thoughtfully and strategically. The goal is not to replace traditional teaching methods, but to enhance them, creating a harmonious blend of human interaction and technological innovation. One key best practice is to use AI to support, not supplant, teachers. AI tools should be viewed as partners in education, assisting teachers with tasks such as grading and providing personalized feedback, while allowing them to focus on fostering critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and a love of learning in their students. It's also crucial to ensure that AI tools are accessible to all students, regardless of their background or learning style. This means providing adequate training and support for both teachers and students, as well as ensuring that AI tools are designed with inclusivity in mind. Furthermore, it's important to address ethical considerations surrounding the use of AI in education. Data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential for job displacement are all important issues that need to be carefully considered and addressed. Section 5. Empowering, not replacing, AI as a teaching partner. The integration of AI in math education should always prioritize the role of the teacher. AI tools are most effective when they empower teachers, not replace them. Teachers bring invaluable skills to the classroom, including creativity, empathy, and the ability to inspire and motivate students. AI can complement these skills by providing teachers with data-driven insights into student performance, allowing them to personalize instruction and provide targeted support. By automating tasks such as grading, AI frees up teachers' time, allowing them to focus on what they do best, guiding students' learning and fostering their intellectual curiosity. A successful AI-powered math classroom is one where technology and human interaction work in harmony. Teachers remain at the heart of the learning process, using AI as a powerful tool to enhance their teaching and create a more engaging and effective learning experience for all students. Section 6. The future is now AI-powered learning environments. The future of AI in math education is brimming with exciting possibilities. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and transformative tools emerge, further blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds. One such innovation is the development of AI-powered virtual tutors. These intelligent systems will be able to provide students with personalized instruction and support 24/7, regardless of their location or schedule. Another promising area of development is the use of AI-driven gamification. By integrating game-like elements into math lessons, AI can make learning more engaging and fun, motivating students to push their boundaries and achieve their full potential. Furthermore, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we assess student learning. AI-powered assessment tools can go beyond traditional multiple-choice tests, providing a more comprehensive and nuanced understanding of student comprehension and skill mastery. Section 7. A world of possibilities, the future of AI in education. The possibilities offered by AI in education are awe-inspiring. AI personalizes learning, tailoring pace and content to each student. Classrooms become interactive labs with real-time feedback. AI empowers educators to create engaging, effective learning. It ensures educational equity for all students, a future where technology and human ingenuity combine. Now it's your turn. How are you using AI in your math classroom? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more educational content, and share with your fellow teachers. Goodbye for now.